How to create a new account on LinkedIn. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a new account on LinkedIn. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. You can do this both on your app, or if you want you can just continue on your browser. LinkedIn is an online networking platform where you can build, connect, and share to create new business opportunities and new career opportunities as well. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your browser and search for linkedin.com. And now you're just going to tap on this link right here, linkedin.com. So here on the login page, you have two options on the top right. And if you already have an account, you can directly tap on sign in to sign in with your email. Or if you are new, you can tap on join now to create a new account. First thing you need to do is make sure to enter your email address or phone number. Then you'll have to create a strong password. Now just tap on continue. Then you'll just have to provide your new first name and last name. Tap on agree and join. And now you'll just have to give a quick security verification. So just wait for the verification to complete. Now you'll just have to select an image that is correct way up to complete the verification. And once that is done, you should be able to create a new account for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.